First of all, congratulations on taking the first step which you have taken to get into Brickwork. This would have happened by chance or by choice, but I would tell you after a brief interaction with Mr. Krishnan, with Mr. Muthu, Dr. Raza, only in last 10 years, this industry which it has seen the growth here is probably only the mobile phone and tablets which will survive. Probably all other industries will finish. I'm sure you would have seen MP3 players, you would have seen digital cameras, you would have seen video cameras. They don't exist anymore. Everything is in a mobile phone. The next step is computers won't exist. Everything will go on cloud, right? Here onwards, this is, and you're lucky that you are part of that revolution, because when you are at the right time at the right place, that is where it happens by chance. But from here, where you want to be, will be with your will, with your focus, and with your hard work. Be ready for the international market, because local is not local anymore. India is ready to become the world capital and reach where the whole people, the whole manpower, the whole skill sets of India will reach all over the world. And you guys will be the first one to do that when you are with Brickwork. Keep your eyes open. Don't keep yourself confined in your thought process. Don't keep yourself confined with the local market. Just get out, fly, and see the world around you, and you will never go wrong. Never ever you will go wrong. There was a big change which has happened in India in the last 5 years, probably not even 5 years, probably 3 years. Gone are the times when in West something was being launched in India used to be 5 years behind that, not anymore. And you would have witnessed this, all branded cars, all phones, every gadget which is being launched worldwide, India is the place where it gets launched simultaneously. Why? Are they crazy? No, they're not crazy, because this is the place which will drive the whole of the world economy from here onwards. Be prepared, be ready, be open, and express yourself. Because if you don't express yourself, express your feeling, express what is inside you, you will never be able to achieve the success which you have to achieve. Be part of the team, do the right thing. Don't take any shortcuts, because shortcuts will get you something in the very short term, but it will never let you reach your goal. It's a journey, it's a never-ending journey. So keep on going on the journey, enjoy yourself, and you will achieve a lot of success in India, in worldwide, and you never know. By the time you become my age, there might be a mobile phone repair shop at Mars as well. That's it. Just keep on going, be happy, enjoy what you're doing, because this gadget, or this small tiny gadget which is in your hand, it will be everything. You can't imagine what developments are happening, what developments will happen in this gadget in the coming time. So with that small little thing, all the best to you guys, and I thank you for inviting me over and letting me meet your enormous team. Thank you guys.